video we got what? Another unboxing. Bam, you see it, Nike Renew. Picked these up again, caught these on sale. I paid $25.57 for these. My size 10. Colorway reads University Red. This is the Nike Renew Ride 3. And open these bad boys up. I got the basic Nike tissue paper. Bam, we got these University Red Nikes. I just picked these up because I caught these on sale. Again, I do own a pair of these in the past and just picking up in different colorway. So Nike Renew does have that React foam in the midsole, as you can see right here. And this is the third version. I don't think Nike's making these anymore, but you can still find these on Amazon for around $6 to $8. I'm not sure if they have this specific colorway, but they do have React. The Nike Renew Ride 3s, and that's what these are. The only way you can tell these are the new versions, as you can see right there, it does say, it's hard to see, but it does say 3.0. Nike Ride 3.0 with that backwards swoosh. It's real small fine print right there. It just looks like a line right there in blue. And then on this side we do see, you can't hardly read it, but it says Nike Renew right there. And then on the tongue, we do have Nike Renew again, with that swoosh at the top. And then they did keep the red laces. And again, the same, I guess it's like a purplish color. They just put that into the shoelaces. Overall, not mad at these. It's a very simple, clean shoe. Predominantly the shoe is University Red. Does have that white swoosh. Does have that white midsole. As we look at the bottom, it does have a lot of traction. What I like about these, they're very comfortable and I can wear these all day. And this is also considered a running shoe, but one of the budget-friendly ones. Because even when these first came out, they were also under $100. So yeah, I'm just gonna show you some other colors, ways that I have. I did find a blue pair right here. You see it does have the same branding at the back. You can read this one a little bit better. And Renew Ride 3.0 as well as this side over here. And then I think these two are the new ones. So like again, I can tell y'all my team is the Houston Texans. So anytime I can find a red or navy shoe, I go ahead and usually just pick them up because I can rock them with my team's colorways. But let me know which one are you digging more, the navy pair or the red pair. Again, one thing I do notice, like this has like a cup right here. It's kind of hard to see. And this one is all red, but in this one you see they changed the color on it right there. And then it does have a little bit of padded cushion at the ankle for support. Again, this one has it as well right here. And as well as it goes back to lock in your ankle while you're running. This is the insole right here. It does say Renew. Again, these are real cheap insoles, so you may want to replace them. I don't know. And I can pretty much wear these all day long with no issues. And then I'm just going to show you another pair that I have. I'm not sure if this is an earlier version right here. Again, this is in my opinion, red, white, and blue. Predominantly, this shoe is all gray and does have that red and blue in there. Like I said, whenever I can find a red, white, and blue or red and blue shoe, I usually go ahead and scoop them up. Again, right here on the side, this one has a hard, well, it looks like a hard piece of plastic, but it's actually made out of rubber foam. And they did stamp the Nike Renew in there. So I'm assuming like this is the second version of the shoe. And then later on, these came out. And as you can see, it's a little bit different. As you can tell from the midsole, they are different. Let me see when the date that these came out. So these came out, production date of this shoe right here was in 20. And then let me see this production date of this shoe. So these came out in 2023, the red pair. So again, this is again the number 2 version of the shoe. Again, has a little bit different outsole at the bottom, as well as the traction on the front is different as well. So this one's more like honeycomb shape patterns versus this one is a little bit more smoother. But it just depends on, I guess, what you like. Again, I like the way that this has a thick back, so you know when you're walking, it can, you don't have to, if you have a wide foot like I do, you don't have to worry about it, flipping over left and right. This one a little bit smaller. I guess the new version is a more slim down version. Doesn't have that big old back. And I have been rocking these. And like I said, these are both very comfortable shoe. And for $35, I couldn't pass these up. I had to go ahead and scoop these up. Let me know, have you ever worn these Nike Renew Ride 3s? And do you have any in your collection? Again, this is another simple unboxing, but right now is a great time to be a sneakerhead. As you know, a lot of shoes are going on the retail and you can find them on sale. So I suggest that you pick up your pairs as you can. I'm having a blast right now because I'm been able to pick up a lot of pairs for under retail and low prices. And, like I just showed you in that last video, found some New Balances for $31 and these are $21. So, to get shoes this cheap, really, I couldn't pass these up. Now let me know your thoughts and comments down in the comments, niggerheads, and we'll see you on the next one.
Hey, and if you guys continue to love content like this, hey, check out that video right there.
Like we said, for sure, when you bless,
Hey, bless others. Peace.